How to run jar files or .jar files in Windows 10 or 11. If you want to run the .jar files in Windows 10 or 11, it is very simple to do so. If you have a .jar file on your Windows but you don't have any app to open it up, that is because you have to download the official Java app. So go to java.com on your browser, and as and when you do there, you can say download Java. So click on the download Java icon right there, and make sure to click on download Java, which is in the green box right here, and it was going to take some time to download it. So of course we want to simply wait until the start download has been completed. Once we've downloaded the Java app, now we're going to open it up and install the application. And after we've installed the Java as a runtime environment app, then we will be able to open the .jar files in Windows 11. You can also choose to change the destination folder if you want to. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.